distinct. Return an array containing the chosen numbers in strictly decreasing or descending order. Okay, so the input is this, and we are given k, and we have to return the distinct elements in the decreasing order. So here you can see the 84, 93, 100, 77, 90. The maximum number is 100, then 93, then it is 90. Yes. So the output is this. And then here k is 3, 100, 93, and 84. Because we have to return the distinct elements, we cannot consider this 93 again. Here there are only two distinct elements. Even though k is 6, we will be returning only these two, 2 and 1 in the descending order. Okay. So here it is written that their sum is maximized. That means if we see the constraint, there are no negative values. So what we can do is we can just return the top three largest elements. We don't need even to calculate this sum, maximum sum. Here it is in the explanation, it is given maximum sum is 283, which is attained by choosing these three, and we rearrange them strictly descending order as this. So logically, if you think, to get the maximum sum, we need a maximum values. So top three, here k is 3, so top three elements. Here the k is 6, so top 6, but there are only two. Okay, because we are just considering the distinct elements, so 2 and 1. We don't even need to calculate this sum. We will have to just return the top elements, top largest elements. Okay, so how we will solve the question? So first is, I'm going to use the tree set. Why tree set? Why not hash set? Because see, we need unique distinct elements, so I must use this set. And why tree set? Because we want in descending order. So I can make it in preset, the array, the elements are in the sorted order. So we can mention in the descending order and get the elements. So let's start coding. I'll use a tree set. Now I will add all the elements from this. I can do like this. In tree set ts dot add what I. This is not index. This is value, right, for using the for each loop. Now what this will give us is ascending order, but I want descending, so I will pass collection dot reverse order. It will give me a descending elements in descending order. Now we have added all the elements. Now what we will do is, we want one answer array is equal to new. What will be the size? See, here k is 3, size is 3. Here k is 3, size is 3. But here k is 6, size is 2. That means number of distinct elements. We have to consider minimum of size of distinct element, or number of distinct elements, or k. So mat dot minimum of ts dot size comma k. Okay, now for int I is equal to 0. Now what we will do, we need these elements. Okay, so instead of int I is equal to 0, why can't we use this? Because in tree set you don't have index. Okay, you can't take it by index, that get 0 get 1. So instead we will use int num and this ts. We'll get one by one the number, or you can use iterator as well. Here first I will have to check what I will have to check. I'll need one index in, let's say, k. we'll take k1 because k is already there. I will check if my k1 is answer dot length equal to, that means I got all the elements. What I'll do, I'll break, and then here I can do answer of k1 plus plus is equal to num. Okay, and we will return the answer. Return answer. I'll run. You can see here case 1 is 993.90, here 93.84, and this 211. Okay, I'll submit it. Yeah, you can see it is accepted. The solution is accepted. There are different ways to solve these questions. I am explaining using the tree set. If you know any other approach, let me know in the comment section, and if possible, I'll also upload the video using that approach. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.